Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashwini. I'm a software engineer, but I have a passion for teaching. So from past 6 years, I'm being teaching for the Karnataka PU board students. So for both first PUC as well as second PUC, I'm been teaching. So why this video is? So let me tell you all. So from past 1 year, PU board has changed their subject from C++ to Python, which was very important because from many years, Karnataka PU board was following C++ only. So now they have updated for Python, which was very necessary. But students are facing issues. Multiple number of issues they are facing because suddenly they have changed from C++ to Python. They are facing multiple number of issues. I have seen multiple number of comments in my previous videos, multiple number of C++ videos I have added in my channel. There I have got a comment that like they are not able to understand Python comfortably as C++. So that is why I'm making this video. So I'm starting a series about like both first PUC as well as second PUC students from past 1 year. Like whoever was last year, first year, they have been second years now, and they are writing their first board exam where they don't have any question papers related to Python. They are the first batch to write Python programming language exam this year. So they are facing multiple number of issues to understand the Python, how the questions will be, how to handle the practical questions, how to handle the questions, whatever the 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark question, 5 mark questions, how to write it. So all these things have become quite difficult for them to understand how to do all these things. So I thought let me start one series where I can explain the students how you can write the answers for the given questions, that is important questions. I'm going to discuss all the important questions from the first chapter till the last chapter. So that is one thing. Second thing is about the practical questions, that is practical lab exams, whatever you have for the 30 marks questions. So how to write the C++ programming, that I'm going to discuss. Next thing, how to answer the Viva questions. Those things we are going to discuss. Also, each and every chapter wise, I'm going to explain the concepts of Python so that like I have seen multiple number of videos already it is there. I'm not telling that PU students they don't have any verification like any videos they are not getting from YouTube. I'm not telling that. You have multiple number of videos already it is present. So it is present in both Kannada as well as English, but it is not simplified. That is what I feel. So I want to simplify the things that students are facing issues. So according to the concept wise it might be, according to the program wise it might be, or according to the chapter wise. So I'm going to do all these things in my next coming videos. So also, so that is what about the video is. Second point is in a Karnataka PU board. So not only city students we have, but also taluk level as well as village level students also we have to think about. So how they are going to handle Python. So it is not easy for them to understand because like multiple number of city students are from ICSE syllabus as well as CBSE syllabus. They have changed it to like Karnataka PU board. So you might have already studied in your schools about Python or Java. It might be Python or it might be Java, anything you might have learned. You might face little bit easy. Yes, even city students are facing issues with understanding the concept. I agree. But the taluk level as well as the village student, whoever has taken computer science as their subject, but they are unable to match whatever the answers that they have to give. Those things they are unable to match. Also, the teachers also has to update. Teachers like multiple number of teachers are like from past 10 years, 12 years, 20 years they are teaching C++. So they are comfortable with that, and suddenly when they change it to Python, they also might feel quite difficult to explain for them, or student might feel difficult because they don't have English language, because Python is all about English, not only Python, C++ also, but comparatively Python, they tell it is easy, but still to understand the Python programming language is quite difficult for them. So for these challenges, whatever the students are facing, I thought whatever it is possible from my side, I want to do it. So I thought I'm going to explain the concept both in Kannada as well as English. I don't know whether I'm going to do it with a separate videos, or in a same video I'm going to explain both Kannada as well as English. So it might disturb for the English students, or it might disturb for Kannada students. Let me try for one or two videos how it goes, how the response is, how the students are understanding the concept. Then later on I keep changes in my videos according to the student requirements. So the students has commented in my previous multiple number of C++ videos to make series of Python. Also, they have asked important questions for Python, how to write answers for the Python questions in the board. So these questions I have already got. So I just wanted to take these questions, whatever the students are giving, and give them some uh, important questions or some simplified answers for them. So that is what all this video is about. So let me make you all clear that already you have multiple number of videos in YouTube. I'm not telling mine is something special, but technically I just want to explain students a little bit more easily to understand the concept. Let me tell you all how my videos will be. I can't tell you all, like I can't explain you all Python completely in Kannada. So I can't tell variable in Kannada. I can't tell data types in Kannada. I can give an example for that. But complete things, complete whatever the words are there, those things I can give an example in Kannada and explain you all. But complete thing, it is not possible to explain in Kannada. So that is, I'm going to make sure that. So I'll make sure I'll explain. I'm going to tell you all concepts so that you can remember it, so that you can recall it and write it back in Kannada. Okay. So this is about my video. So why this introduction video I have given? Because so people might think this introduction video I have done in English, but my future videos will be in Kannada, so that multiple number of students, whoever are there in different part of Karnataka, not only like PU students, they have to see my videos. It might be anyone, because Python, when we take up a concept, it will be helpful for others also. So that is what I feel. So it is helpful for each and everyone, those who want to learn Python. So till this point, if someone is seeing this video, so if you come, like if you have come or if you have listened till here, it means that some information is right from my side. You are seeing so long my video. So thank you for that, because each and every videos require a viewers. So that is where we get an inspiration. So that is where like when people start seeing, when people start commenting, when people start subscribing the channels, when people start liking, when people start commenting, so that is where we get inspiration from that, so that we can do multiple number of videos again and again. Also it gives an inspiration to do many more videos. So whoever has seen till now, I have not yet asked in the starting itself, till now whoever has seen my video, make sure you're going to subscribe the channel. Make sure you're going to leave a comment on which topic you want, or what are the changes, or what are the requirement that you want to make me in my channel. Okay, so I'm waiting for that, what kind of video you require, so that my next video will be on that. So I hope you like this video. So if you have liked this video, please make sure you're going to share it with your friends. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.